everyone, it's Discount Diva here, coming to you with another Dollar Tree video. I wanted to share with you my new items that I checked out and just see what you think. I had previously purchased this mug, but because my husband loved it so much, he said, wait, where's mine? I'm like, all right, I'll get you your own. So I ended up going back to get more. And it's this lovely clear mug. Guys, it's a different experience when you have your tea and your coffee. It's just nice to look at what you're drinking. And I love these little things. So I had purchased one. I went back and I purchased 3 more. So I was happy to see that they still had them. Second and third. See? Love, love, love. These are so cute. Who knew drinking out of a clear mug, right? It's a different experience. Moving along, I saw someone haul these and I said, wait, I have to hunt for them. And I found them, the Javalia iced coffees. It says cold brew iced latte ready to drink, and it's 130 calories. And the only flavor that I was able to get was the mocha, but I wasn't mad. I'm like, look, these things are a lot more than $1. And it says I always like to look at the sugar grams. The sugar grams are a little high. It's 24 grams, but at least it's just 1 serving of it. It's not like 3 servings in 1 bottle. And this is a 11-ounce coffee beverage. I can't wait to get into this. Get a nice cup, chill it, put some ice, and if I love it, I will be going back to get some. This time I picked up 4 though, because I said, watch me get 1 and then I'm gonna love it. And then my husband's gonna say, where's mine? So I picked up 4. And the expiration date is not until November of 2019. So there is a little time to drink them. And trust me, by the time November comes, we would have finished them. So I'm probably gonna end up going back to get some more. But I've never seen these before. I was happy to see these. And then I saw another new product, Nut and Butter. I guess it's pronounced Nut and Butter. And this says it's a peanut butter spread, which is 90% peanuts. You don't need to stir it. It's 16.3 ounces and it's naturally gluten-free. So yeah, I was happy to see this peanut butter. I've never seen this before, so I want to try it out. You know, maybe a nice little peanut butter and jelly sandwich with nice coffee. Not a bad combination, right? Moving along, I had bought some hummus and I saw these little bagel chips and I said, that would be perfect together. So I picked up 2, and this is in the flavor of roasted garlic. These bags are 3.17 ounces and it's by 7 days. And yeah, they're 18 grams of carb and 130 calories for 6 pieces. So that's good to know. And then I was truly inspired. I'm not a baker, but I saw these 2 items next to each other and I said, maybe it's meant to be. First, I saw this 9-inch pie crust, which is graham cracker filled by Bama. And I said, what if I try to make a little pie? And right next to these crusts, I saw these apple pie filling by Muscleman's. And then you bake it at 425 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. So that's a nice, easy pie to make. I think I'm gonna make it. I think I'm just gonna put the stuff together. Maybe I'll record it. That'll be my Dollar Tree apple pie with everything Dollar Tree items. there's an idea. I think I'm gonna go for it. I think I'm gonna make that. Maybe I'll make that tonight. Yeah, I think I will. With a nice little cup of coffee in my mug. Or even the iced coffee. But anywho, I wanted to share this haul with you. And I'm so happy that you guys are checking out my channel, commenting, liking. Please hit the subscribe button. And until next time, Discount Diva here. Take care.